Beautiful house with upgrades galore. Many upgrades in this home, starting the entry with ceramic tile throughout entire home. Eat-in kitchen has solid wood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Open to living area. 3 bedrooms on a split floor plan, plus an office, both bathrooms with shower stalls, granite and more. Open floor plan, laundry room off the kitchen area. Garage has automatic door opener with remote entry. Screen porch and the spacious backyard perfect for barbecues. Home is located on a conservation so offers privacy in the back. Gated community of Magnolia with 2 community pools to pick from. Home has easy access to downtown Tampa, I-75, Highway 301, Crosstown and McDill AFB. Monthly HOA fee includes access to all the amenities, security plus lawn services, correct no mowing. Schedule your showing today.